guys, welcome to the new video of MuleSoft Online Learning. In this video, we will be discussing about one of the scopes known as RoundRobin. So, as we are following the pattern, so let's first go to the official MuleSoft documentation about the RoundRobin router. So let me search about that. Okay, so this is the main page of MuleSoft documentation. I would like to check for 4.3 specifically, so we'll change it to 4.3, but more or less I'm expecting it is not going to change. So round robin is like it iterates through a list of 2 or more routes in order, and it checks like it only routes to the one which is not being executed previously. So in 2 consecutive executions, same route cannot be used back to back. So basically, if we are having more than one route within the round robin router, then it will pick up on the first one, and in the second turn it may pick the second one, otherwise the third one. So every time it checks whether the last selected route is the last route in the list, and if yes, then it checks for the first route. That's what they are mentioning as well. Okay, and it throws an error of mule routing in case there is any error. So let's quickly go to our Anypoint studio, and we will start with a sample round robin mule app. It will take a couple of seconds to load this Anypoint studio. So now it's up and running. Let me close all the projects apart from domain project that I'm going to use in my new mule application as well. So I will right click, go for new mule project. I will type round robin flow mule server 4.3.0, that is the latest one. Click on finish. I will drag and drop the HTTP listener, or let's go with a different set. This time let's click on core, and I will configure a scheduler so that it can execute or trigger the flow at a fixed interval of time. After that, I will go to core and check for round robin under the flow control. So send each message received to the next message processor in the circular list of targets. So that's what round robin they are mentioning. And let me put one logger. Let me put one more logger. So basically I will print something over here as route 1. Similarly, I will put something over here, route 2. That's it. So here the expectation is based on the some scheduled frequency of, let's say, 10 seconds. Let's see, more frequently after 3 seconds it will trigger, and it will pick up the logger 1 path and logger 2 path accordingly. Let me rename these 2 activities, and we are good to go. So I will right click and click on run project. Since I have scheduled this particular flow using the scheduler using 3 seconds of window, it will automatically going to trigger. So this time we are not going to use the postman for testing purpose. Let me word wrap this. So here you can see starting with 1, then 2, then 1, then 2, with a difference of 3 seconds in between. Yes, 36, 39, 9, now it should be 42. Yes, it's correct. So it basically keeps a list of what is the last selected route it has followed, So it has selected one, then it checks, okay, it's already executed the one, then it will check for the next route, so it's two. Let me pause this, let me stop this testing instance for some time, and let me remove this logger 2. Let me save this guy and run it once again. It is going to trigger it now. Route 1, wait for some time, then it will go for route 2. Because I have removed the route 2, so it is going to repeat it every time for the route 1. After waiting for one period of interval, it will go for the next one and then the next instance. So that is all about round robin, and basically the concept of round robin can be handy if we want to distribute the load between the two different APIs. Instead of logger, we can have any message processor, like we can have HTTP requester or any other operation, the message processor, or any logic after this. So it will basically in a round robin fashion, it will send the payload or the processing onto the particular route. That's all in today's video, and I hope you like this video, and it will help you to further explore the round robin and the other scopes which we are going to discuss later. And thanks for joining. Thank you.